Hello guys, that's all the parts that you received about the BS5-40 mouse racks. That's the 4 columns, and that's all it's about the beams of the mouse racks. And that's the T-joint about the water system, and that's the bolt and nuts about the mouse rack. So I'm sure that that's all the parts you received about the BS5-40 mouse racks. And next I will show you how could you can build this BS5-40 mouse racks. And now I put a picture in the video. Now you can see that's what it looks like when it finished. And so now I will tell you what stands for of those parts. That's the 4 columns for the rack, and that's all is the beams for the racks. It's different. That's the short beams. There's a 4 short beams for the racks, and that's the long beams. And besides, for these two, there isn't any T-joint and elbow joint about the water system. There's only 2 long beams. And as you can see, those beams with T-joint and elbow joint. So that's the difference between these 2 types of beams. Now I want to show you how could I link the 4 columns and 2 long beams and 4 short beams together. So at first we need what's the 2 holes of the bottom of these columns. So each of the columns you will find 2 holes at the bottom. So now we will link them together. Use the long beams, and there is 2 holes, and match the 2 holes together. Yes. Here is the seam theory, and then we use the bolts and nuts, link them together. Hold on. So that looks like when you finish, and as you can see, one long beams links 2 columns. So when you finish, you will get 2 types of it. You will get 2. So 2 groups. Yes, that's it. And now we will use the 4 short beams, link the 2 groups, let them be a whole frame. So I will do it.
好了，然后再配个键。
And that is when you use the 4 short beams linked to this part. So as you can see, you should use the bolt and nuts to fix them. And that's just the midway. And now I need let this part link with the 4 short beams, and when it ready linked. When it's finished, it will be a whole frame of this rack. And that is looks like when you finish. That's the whole frame of this mouse rack. And that's the 4 short beams, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the 2 long beams. That's the first one, and that's the second one. And that's the 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4. And all these parts you need use the bolt and nut to fix up. And you need to use the bolt and nut here. So that's the very first step of this rack. 这样挑了。And now when we finish the basic frame of this rack, we need move to the step with beams, which is equipped water system, the T-joint and elbow joint. The 10 beams is divided in 2 groups as the different direction of the T-joint and elbow joint. So these 5 they head to this direction, and this 5 the joint is head to this direction. Yes. And next we need pay attention 2 points. And now we need to put these beams on this frame. And 2 point things you need to pay attention. First is you need put the T-joint and this pipe out of this tubing. Yet it looks like this. They in this position, but not here. It's at here, right? And second point is you need let those T-joint head to the ground. Yes, this position head to the ground, but not this. Don't let it head to the sky. You need let make it head to the ground. So totally that's the 2 points you need to pay attention. And then when you pull it like this and just copy that. In totally this side of this rack you have 5 beams like this, and when you put it like this and just copy that, put another 4 beams in the position. So that's okay. I will put it. That's the final looks when you finished. This side of beams also be fixed on the frame. The T-joint head to the ground as well. The 5 beams is same. Another point you should pay attention is the water pipe, just like this. You need like the head to the same direction. Yes, head to here, here, here. Don't fix this pipe in this direction. Just put and fix it to here. And the opposite side is the same theory. All the beams should head to this direction, and the pipe head to this direction. So when the 10 beams of the pipe all head to this direction, and the water bucket can supply the water to them. So that's the theory of the water system. And next step, I will tell you how to fix the hung across on this frame. Now if you move in this step, and don't forget fix this small part at here. Totally you got 10 small parts like it. You got 10. So you need fix the 10 of it in each beams of this part. Because you got 10 beams, there is 5 beams and there is 5 beams, so you need fix the 10 small part at here. I will show you when you finished what it looks like. Yes, that is looks like when you finished fixing the small part on this frame. Okay, totally you got 10 of such small parts, and you need put them all on the frame. This side is the seam, yes, and then you made the pipe linked to this T-joint.
这个水灯这个活儿，我脚脚块儿也没有学。